G'day folks, and welcome to another video for Aussie Kayak Angler. Sorry it's been a while since I've put something up. I've been a bit busy with work. Anyway, I've just come down to near Fernvale actually today and hitting up the system down here. So I just caught this little 25 centimetre bass on the purple and black orgy. Anyway, he's only a little fella, but let's chase some more of his friends, hopefully bigger ones. Put him back. G'day everybody, just checking back in. It's about 7:30 at night. There's bugs flying everywhere. Bass hitting the surface around me. Just managed to get one on the little soft cicada, just on the surface, and yeah, you got this little 27 centimetre bass right here. Hey, look at him, awesome little fella. Anyway, I'm going to try and chase some more, and we'll get stuck into it. Cheers. So just been flicking around the few more of these trees, and I got another little bass, little 28 centimetre one. Must have been his brother or sister from the other one before. So yeah, good. We're going to keep on going, having good fun.